The Durabase CI++ multifunctional matting system, with its triple-layer construction, offers much more than decoupling. Crack bridging properties, optimized shearing force protection, and waterproofing make it ideal for renovation projects or new buildings. CI++ can be installed over many subfloors, including wooden floorboards, OSB, old tiles, or concrete. In this video, we show a room with two different subfloors, one area with wooden floorboards and the other area with OSB. The tools you need are If the CI++ matting is used for waterproofing, you also need Durabase sealing tape and Durabase corner pieces. With most subfloors, it is possible to use single flexible adhesive or a rapid setting flexible adhesive. Loose laying of the CI++ mats is not possible. The matting has to be laid in 90 degrees to the floorboard OSB connection. If this isn't possible, place a complete mat centered on the connection and cut to size on the walls. Leave a gap of 5 to 10 mm around the perimeter to allow for thermal movement of the matting and prevent a sound bridge being formed. Simply use a pair of scissors or utility knife to cut CI++ to size. All subfloors must be solid, level, dry and free of any material that would impair adhesion and must be able to bear weight. Any repairs need to be carried out prior to installation of Durabase CI++. We recommend using a primer for a better bond to the subfloor. Mix the thin bed mortar with the maximum water allowance per manufacturer recommendation and apply it using a 4x4 or 6x6 trowel. Never use a larger notched trowel, as they impede the decoupling effect of the CI++ matting. Embed the cut-to-size mats into the adhesive, light grey fleece downward, and press it firmly using a pressure roll or equivalent. If it's firmly embedded, you will see a slight darkening of the CI++ matting. Take care that there is no adhesive in the 5 to 10 mm gap around the perimeter, and always work within the open time of the adhesive. Tiles can be laid immediately after adhesion of the Durabase CI++ matting. Fill the cavities carefully with adhesive. The mesh component of CI++ locks it into place. Apply a solid thin bed of adhesive using an appropriate notched trowel for the tile and lay the tiles. It's important that the back of the tiles are covered 100% with adhesive. Check the coverage by removing the first tile. Attention! Don't use tiles less than 50 by 50 mm. If the tiles are bigger than 60 by 60 cm or thinner than 9 mm, you skin coat the tile to get an extra thick bed of adhesive, adding to the strength of the tile. At least grout the tiles. Take care that no grout remains in the perimeter gap between floor and wall. For finishing touches, use a decorative skirting profile or perimeter joint. By doing so, you will get the perfect basic for a long-lasting newly tiled floor.